Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing app. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to put full frame overlay to your video in CapCut video editing app. Just like what you see right here. This is a screen recording on a phone, and we're able to put a smartphone overlay to make it look more perfect. Let me show you how to do it in CapCut. First thing first, I'm going to go ahead and click on here to close this tab. This allows me to close the project, and then we can start all over. For that, I'm going to go ahead and click on new video right here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to select my video project file. I'm going to select this. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on add right here. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to cut some part of this video. For that, I'm going to select from the last part right here. I'm going to click on split right here. This allows me to split the clip. Once I split the clip, I'm going to select this part. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on this trash icon. Boom, and then I'm done. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and add overlay. For that, I'm going to go ahead and make sure the video was not selected. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on overlay right here. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on add overlay. I'm going to select the video again, click on add, just like so. I'm going to go ahead and cut the part of the video. This point right here, I'm going to go ahead and make sure I click on split right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and select this part that I want to be deleted. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on delete or trash icon. Boom. So we have the same video in the same length timeline, but with different frame rates. But with different frame size. What we want to do right here is to replace the overlay. So for that, select the overlay video. Having selected the overlay video, come down below right here, slide this way, continue to slide until you get to replace right here. Go ahead and click on replace, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to navigate to library right here. From the library right here, go ahead and type in phone frame right here. Phone frame, and hit search. Then in a few seconds, you're going to see countless number of phone frame that you can select from the different templates right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different templates of phone frame right here. However, you can select any one of your choice. In this tutorial, I'm going to select this particular one right here. Having selected, you have it imported successfully. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and increase the size of the frame until I'm able to satisfy with what exactly I'm looking at. Just like so, I'm satisfied with that. Next thing I'm going to do is to see how we can easily place a video in the container. For that, we want to make sure nothing was selected. The next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on overlay. Add overlay. Then select the same video again. Then go ahead and click on add. Boom. Next thing we want to do right here is to go ahead and drag all over until we get to the length of the video from the beginning. Then adjust the length from the end right here. I'm going to go ahead and select the clip. Then our next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on split right here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to select the one I want to delete it. Having selected it, go ahead and click on delete trash file right here. Boom. And you are done. Then you have the video in the overlay of the frame right here. Just like so. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and select the video in the timeline, adjust the frame, adjust the video size, video space, and make sure it fits into the shape of the phone. Just like so. Next thing we want to do is to add layer mask. For that, we want to go ahead and slide this way. Continue to slide this way, continue to slide this way. Continue to slide, continue to slide until you get to mask right here. Go ahead and select mask. I will select mask. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you slide this way, and then you want to make sure you add rectangle mask. Just like so. Adjust the mask and make sure it fits in with the shape. Boom, and you are done. Lastly, go ahead and click on this check mark right here. And you are done. Then you can play your video. So if you find out that you are not satisfied with the adjustment of the mask, go back to mask right here. Then adjust it from the point, the angle, as the case may be. Then once you are satisfied, click on this check mark. And the next thing you want to do right here is to select on this particular layer right here. Click on delete, and then you are done. Then you have your video being placed into the home frame right here in CapCut video editing app. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use CapCut video editing app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.